Got my first mail day today from a trade I made on YouTube, so I'll get to that in a second. Bought a box of hot prospects. I didn't get it opened on camera though, but I'll show you guys the hits. First, got a Hot Materials jersey of Matt Station. Then I got a Milan Mahalik Hot Materials jersey. And then got the Prize Prospects auto patch. It's a 3-color patch of Matt Niskanen out of $3.99. It's a nice 3-color patch. I was happy about that. Okay, so now get to the mail day. I'm not exactly sure what's in here at all, or even what I traded for, but I guess I'll find out in a minute. Looks like he sent quite a few extras here. Alright. Start off with a Hot Prospects Jeremy Roenick authentic jersey numbered out of 100. Numbered 76 out of 100. So that's pretty nice. Got a Ryan Getzlaf Cool Threads from 05-06 Upper Deck Ice. So that's pretty nice. Alright, got a few cards in here. First up, got a 2-color Brad Richards patch numbered out of 50 from SP Game Used 06-07, so that's pretty nice. And a Paul Kariya patch numbered to his jersey number 9 of 50. It's a 1-color patch from SP Game Used from 06-07. That's pretty nice. And got a Future Watch autograph of Phil Kessel. This is rookie auto. It's pretty nice as well. So I'm pretty happy about this mail day. Thanks to Kovalev27, I think his name is on YouTube. You guys should check him out. He's a pretty good trader. I'm very happy with what he gave me.